Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to filter messages on the Line application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the home button down below on the left side corner of the screen. And after that, click on this settings button in the upper right corner. Click on privacy within the personal info section. And after that, you should tap on the filter messages button on the right side of the screen, thereby enabling this setting to reject messages not sent by your friends. So basically that's it for this video guys. If you would like to turn it off, just come back to this section and click on the same button on the right side of the screen. That's it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.